Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to hide notifications on the Nokia 105. So if you don't like notifications coming all the way across the top here, then I'm going to show you how to hide them. First things first, what you want to do is open up the menu, and you want to come all the way down to the settings. Now in the settings, you want to go to display settings and go into that, and you want to come all the way down to the bottom to notifications. As you can see, it's currently on. So you want to go into that, and then you want to come down and then select off, and you want to press the middle button to confirm it. You'll see this done sign here, and now whenever you get a text message or a phone call, or when you miss a phone call, no notifications will come across the top. You will get a message showing you that there's a phone call that you need to answer. However, none will come across the top that you've missed them or you have a text message. So that's how to turn off notifications on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.